Hi guys, I'm Nitesh Gupta. I'm an IT professional and I'm into the IT industry from last 11 years. In this channel, we are not going to talk about anything related to IT. That's a tricky business. What we are going to talk about is the terrace gardening. I myself doing the terrace gardening from last 6 years. We all are living into the metro cities where we have a small space to do this kind of activities. But I still able to get the 250 to 300 house plants, and I'm also able to grow few veggies on my terrace. In this particular video, we are going to do the harvesting, and what we are harvesting today is the white brinjals, tomatoes, capsicum and the green chilies. So let's get started. If you have observed that we did the harvesting of 700 gram of veggies from 6 to 7 inch planters, and we only use these 6 or 7 planters altogether, you can consider that if you have a bigger space and you are able to get bigger planters and more planters, then you should be able to get more veggies out of it. If you are interested in watching our channel in Hindi, then we already have a channel ongoing which is having more than 100 videos. On that channel we are having the mixed content where we include the content related to the terrace gardening, cooking and the toddlers activity. If you are interested, that channel is there in the description. You can check that out as well. That's it in this video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.